Hey guys, today I'm gonna talk about the Perplexity AI Deep Research and ChatGPT. So if you're choosing between Perplexity AI and ChatGPT AI, here's a quick breakdown based on extensive testing. Let's see how these two AI giants compare. For the accuracy, Perplexity takes the edge here, with a 97% accuracy rate versus ChatGPT 95%, mainly thanks to its real-time web access, which helps pull in the most current data. For the speed, Perplexity is also faster, completing complex research tasks about 30% quicker, averaging just 2.5 minutes per deep query. For the source diversity, Perplexity taps into over 50 academic databases, while ChatGPT leans more on its pre-trained knowledge, which can sometimes miss the latest updates. For the cost, Perplexity offers 5 deep searches daily, making it a great deal for students and casual researchers, while ChatGPT comparable capabilities requires a $20 per month subscription for the customization. When it's come to fine-tuning how you research, ChatGPT wins. It lets you shape prompts and parameters more precisely to fit your needs. For the part of integration, Perplexity works directly with Google Scholar and arXiv, while ChatGPT shines with its broader API and plugin support, making it better for developers and workflows. For the citation, both provide citation, but the Perplexities are more consistent and well formatted, especially for academic use. For the user interface, ChatGPT offers a friendlier chat-style experience, which makes it more intuitive for beginners and casual users. So the final verdict is, if you are doing academic or scientific research, Perplexity Deep Research is better tool. But for the creative work, general queries, and customization, ChatGPT still holds strong. Let us know in the comment section below which one do you prefer. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.